MX602K 8C CNC Busbar punching and shearing machine is a high-precision, high-automatic busbar processing machine that is independently developed by our company for punching, shearing, embossing. It is mainly used for bulk busbar punching and shearing in high and low voltage distribution cabinets, switchgears, box substations, transformers and other industries. The MX602K 8C CNC Busbar punching and shearing machine consists of the following parts: feeding table with stainless steel roller, single row inline mould library for left and right displacement, hydraulic clamping system with position detection, ×1 servo shaft for front feeding, ×2 servo shaft for rear end pulling, finished stainless steel conveying belt, electrical control system, hydraulic system with proportional value control and automatic lubrication system. The machine has a maximum size of 16 by 200 mm for processing copper busbar and aluminium busbars. Punching diameter of 4.3 to 35 mm. Maximum stroke of 2000 mm for the x-axis. Maximum feeding speed of 75 meter per minute for x-axis. And feeding accuracy of 0.1 mm every 500 mm. Punching accuracy is plus or minus 0.2 mm. And the maximum punching frequency is 180 times per minute. The CNC control system of the machine adopts high-quality industrial computer, touchscreen and HMI and can directly pre-verify the edited program. The system adopts the point coordinate input mode, automatic alarm error prompt, simple operation and easy to understand. The company's patented CNC Busbar machine auxiliary design system can be used by CAD on computer in office. It can realize 2D, 3D drawing and 3D animation simulation. It can directly generate machine control code after accurate calculation of the blanking length and wireless or UDisc copy to the device, saving time and effort and reducing errors. The auxiliary design software can be on NC40Z Series CNC Busbar bending machine as well. It can automatically calculate the bending expansion when drawing design, saving material cutting, intuitive and quick. The CNC electrical control system of this machine consists of controller, servo system, man-machine interface, detection device, etc. German original Backhoff brand controller, 4 bus-controlled ABB brand servo motors and German Baluff linear displacement sensor guarantee the stability of the machine. The main stamping cylinder, controlled by the German Rexroth proportional valve, can reach up to 180 times per minute. The high-quality accessories guarantee the efficiency, stability and service life of the machine. The machine adopts a single-row inline mould library with simple and clear structure and can hold 8 sets of punching moulds. When replacing the mould, there is no need for heavy auxiliary equipment. Before replacing the mould, the CNC system stops the program work. Move the mould library to the appropriate position through the CNC system or the moving button above the mould library and replace the upper mould and the bottom mould. The machine is simple in operation and stable in performance. The main accessories are well-known brands in Germany, Italy, Switzerland, Taiwan and other countries and regions. The assembly and processing are strictly controlled. It is the highest level of automation in the busbar processing industry, the lowest cost of use and the most competitive in the market. Ideal processing equipment